Coca-Cola factory and the aquarium.
Yes, y'all. We went to the Coca-Cola factory and enjoyed the aquarium today. We have a lot of fun. Are you excited?
Just put my friends right in front of the ramp on that so we don't stop at the entrance, so we keep coming all the way down, keep coming all the way down. You can utilize both the ramp and the stairs.
Everybody, so this was like my favorite part at the Coca-Cola factory, and that was tasting the different sodas, all the different drinks from around the world. I really enjoyed this right here. But one of the drinks called Beverly, I do not like that one, and I've been here before some years, so it's been a while back, and I remember tasting that one, and so I tasted it again while here today, and it's still a big no for me. It's still nasty. So if you ever come to the Coca-Cola factory, y'all, please give that a try. If they have that one, it's called Beverly, give it a try. You'll even see, and Michelle tasted it, and you'll even see it in her face, like she's like, ew, yuck, like she doesn't like it either. But I'm sure there's got to be people that like it though. I just don't care for it though. But and some more that were some good, some okay, and some are definitely no. But this, like I said, this is my favorite part of Coca-Cola factory, is tasting the different drinks. Everybody, so we had a really good time here at the Coca-Cola factory. It was the girls' first time. We really wanted to bring them so they could get the experience of the Coca-Cola factory. We've been before, but it's been a while. But y'all, we had a really good time, and I just really wanted to show y'all some fun that we had today. I was a little disappointed though. They no longer do the bottle of Coke. Like when you leave, they give you a bottle Coke in the glass that comes through the machine that they used to do. But I'm pretty sure that was a cost thing, because I'm pretty sure that's probably kind of expensive to do. So hey, I can understand that. But yeah, we had a really good time. We enjoyed the 3D theater. What else? Of course, we had to buy some things out the retail store. They got some really cool things in there. But yeah, y'all, we just really enjoyed it. Like I said, I just want to show y'all, we just out, just having a good time, enjoying ourselves. Nothing like some day trips. Nothing like just doing day trips, you know. But y'all, with that said, y'all, I'm out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not been to the Coke, let me get myself right, y'all. If you've never been to the Coke factory, go give it a try. You'll like. And like I said, it definitely got to go in the part where you can try the different sodas. You'll definitely enjoy that part right there. And give the Beverly a try, y'all. Give the Beverly a try. You may like it, you may not like it, but definitely give it a try. But y'all, we had a really good time. But with that said, y'all, I am out. And thank you for tuning in to Days with Kendra. Until the next time, take care.